Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove unwanted channels from your Tatasky account. Open your favorite browser, go to mytatasky.com, click on Existing Customer button. Now click on Go to My Account button. Enter your subscriber ID or registered mobile number. Click on Continue. If you know the password, enter it here, or else select OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone and click on Continue. Click on Manage Pack. Click on Explore all packs and channels. Click on Show More to see the list of all your subscribed channels. To remove a channel, click on Modify Pack. In the current pack section, click on Show More. Deselect the channel you wish to remove. Now click on Select and Proceed. As you can see, we have dropped a channel and our monthly subscription cost is also reduced. Click on Confirm to proceed. That's it, you have successfully changed your package. This is how you can remove unwanted channels from your Tatasky account.